There was something in my mouth, I swear.
Like, this is insane.
My generation though.
Like, I don't. What the fuck? What the fuck? So I just got home and look at this box that I have not opened to build the closet thing that I bought on Amazon. This is ridiculous. How long am I gonna stare at this? It's been sitting in the same spot for days. So hopefully I can put that shit together, but I doubt that. I highly doubt that because the way I procrastinate is serious. But I will do it. I will do it tonight after I come home from the gym. I will definitely do it. I think I'm on the same level with you because I didn't.
I find out new shit every day and I'm just like absolutely not.
I didn't even know you could get blind from being pregnant. Like, that's weird.
You can even get an astigmatism.
Did you guys know that? I did not know that.
Like an astigmatism meaning like you push so hard you warp the shape of your eyeball. Like I have an astigmatism already.
That's disgusting.
Are you doing the gym today?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready.
Oh, okay.
It's pissing me off. Like I'm about to jog, but it just a message for me like
How do I feel? How do I feel? How do I feel? How do I feel? Sorry guys, I'm trying to sing that Drake song.
That was a Drake song?
It was Falling Back.
You're a wild one.
I was trying to sing Falling Back. Alright, y'all don't copyright me for this because I'm pretty sure I don't know the words. So don't copyright me for this. That's all I'm saying.
I don't think anyone could detect what that was. That's not even Shazam compatible. That's not even. I didn't know what you were trying to say.
Oh
I just
my
looked
God.
at you like, what the heck?
Don't slow down
this is
as
so
I'm
pretty.
vlogging, weirdo. Oh, let me get it. Look at it. It's so pretty. We're walking.
Alright, if we don't go, the bus is.
So I forgot my car at the train station. And now I have to go walk to the train station to go get my car. Love it here. Just love it. Oh my God.
There was something in my mouth, I swear.
Like, this is insane.
My generation though.
Like, I don't. What the fuck? What the fuck? Of course I heard the whistle.
There's a cop car down there, so I think we're alright.
Was that a dog whistle? I'm not no dog. Don't whistle
no,
at me.
that was a man's whistle, bro.
I heard.
Like a human whistle.
I heard, bro. I heard.
I think that's a cop car right there.
That is a cop car right there.
No, we're good.
You are blind, bro.
We're good.
You
I have
are.
my glasses on. My glasses are in your car.
Oh.
That you forgot.
Sorry, we heard a whistle.
You still vlogging?
Yes, I am. Guys, what is this? I have no foundation on, okay? This is my skin tone. I need sun. Look at this. Look at this. I need sun. I need sun. Just a PSA. Bad bitches have floppy hats and bikini tops. Yeah. Yeah. 'Cause what are we doing this summer? Rocking our floppy hats. Yeah. 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 If you don't got a floppy hat, what are you doing? Just thought I would say that. Get you a floppy hat. Yes. This is not mine. This is my grandma's.